ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ farabalẹ̀ fún dáadáa fídíò tó ń ṣó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa ṣì máa play fún inú fídíò tí àwọn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa ẹ wọ́ tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ àṣìṣe bá ń gbọ́ àṣírí pẹ́rẹpẹ́rẹ òun lọ tí nínú fídíò ẹ wo ṣe rọ́ọ̀nì àbí òótọ́ òun nìkan tí ẹ̀yìn ìsọ ẹ wò gbogbo ẹ̀lẹ́ máa gbọ́ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ lórí ìkànnì wa lénìí tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rí tẹ̀ dáa kọ̀ọ̀kan ní bá wa subscribe like comment kẹ́ share lè máa jẹ́ wá fún kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì ní ìgbàkúgbà lórí ìwé tó bá fi lè tẹ̀lé máa ṣùgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye ẹ wò láìfò pàpọ̀lọpọ̀lọ gbòdò bóyá fídíò náà rèé ẹ̀ka ṣùgbọ́n abẹ́ kó.
Speaking during the meeting, Mohammed expressed concern over the gradual decline of northern Nigeria's long-standing Arabic educational heritage, noting that the region has maintained strong educational, religious, and cultural ties with the Arab world for generations. Oh! Bala jẹ́ kó yé wa bí wípé, noting that the northern region has maintained strong educational, religious, and cultural ties with the Arab world for generations. Tó jẹ́ sí wípé bí àwọn Arab country bí wọ́n ṣe live life wọn náà ṣe fẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà náà kó ṣe rí. Ṣé o ń gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ti ní ties pẹ̀lú wọn educationally yẹn ẹjọ́ Arabic language èdè wọn nìkan náà lọ́kọ́ o. Èdè Arabu nìkan náà lọ́kọ́ òun náà pẹ̀lú education lọ́dọ̀ tí wọn o àbí kọ́ tún ka akéwú ó tán o. Ó tún wá tẹ̀síwájú ó ní religiously àti cultural ties ni wọ́n ti ní pẹ̀lú àwọn ará Saudi. Religiously adẹ̀ ń rí ipa ẹ̀ nínú Nigeria, and that is why the northern part of Nigeria has become what it became today. Àbí kí ló ní mo sọ? Okay. Ó tún wá tẹ̀síwájú. Speaking during the meeting, Mohammed expressed concern over the gradual decline of northern Nigeria's long-standing Arabic educational heritage, noting that the region has maintained strong educational, religious, and cultural ties with the Arab world for generations. The governor also reaffirmed his administration commitment to revive the abandoned Arabic college in Akeleri to expand access to quality Arabic education and preserve the region's educational legacy. Àtijọ́ tí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti rán lọ sí Saudi tán lọ kọ́ Arabic àtàwọn tí wọ́n sponsor ní Nàìjíríà tó ń kọ́ ní northern part of Nigeria, kí ni benefit ẹyọ kan tí wọ́n ti háàdì mọ́ Nigeria as a country? Kí ni ẹ̀tẹ̀ ìjẹ́ ká sọ kí ni àwa mùsùlùmí òtítọ́ àti tòdodo kí la ti benefited from it? Ṣé school ọ̀fẹ́ náà fún àwọn ọmọ school àwọn ọmọ mùsùlùmí ni? Ṣé ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ wọ́n fún yín lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́? Kí ni nǹkan tán fún yín? Health-wise ńkọ́ ọ̀fẹ́? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ gain nínú ẹ̀ kí náà ti benefit wa? Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ mi kò lè yé yín. Kí ló ń ba northern lẹ́rù? Torí ẹ̀rù ò bá Southern. Bẹ́rù bá ń ba northern Nigeria, ẹ̀rù ò bá Southern o, ẹ̀rù ò bá Yorùbá rárá pa, ẹ̀rù ò bá wa rárá ni. Kí ló ń ba northern lẹ́rù? Tẹ̀lé mi kó wá wò ó. Àlélè tá a jọ kò sí. Lélè tá a ti jọ kò sí. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn ní 2027 election yìí. Mo ló máa mú àpẹẹrẹ ńlá wá bá Nàìjíríà. Ó máa jẹ́ kí Nàìjíríà kó ní àpẹẹrẹ. Bóyá àpẹẹrẹ burúkú wá ní àbí rere mi ìwà mi lè tó jẹ́, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ̀lé mi kó wá gba analysis.
You see, those guys from the northern Nigeria, they don't want Tinubu to continue. Those guys, they feel that if they allow Tinubu to continue, that Tinubu will divide Nigeria. Because from the body language of Mr. President, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you will see that that guy does not believe in one Nigeria. I have said this in the past, that Tinubu doesn't believe in one Nigeria. And the Northerners, I was talking to some people from the northern Nigeria the other day. They said that they had meetings, not once, not twice. If they allow Tinubu to continue, that Tinubu will divide Nigeria in time to come. Because the Northerners, they are not happy with Tinubu. You see, the friendship between Tinubu and Emmanuel Macron, I am talking about the French president, something that is not sitting well with the Northerners. The Northerners are not happy with France. Among all the 5 world powers during the civil war between the Nigerian state and the Southeast, it was only the France government that supported the Southeast. They gave them ammunition through the back door, only France. And among all these 5 world powers, only France that does not believe in one Nigeria. France don't believe in one Nigeria. France has been fighting very hard to make sure that Nigeria goes into many parts. And this France now is a friend to Tinubu. among all the 5 world powers, Tinubu and France, they're so close. They're so close. And this thing is not something that is, sitting well with the Northerners. They are not happy. So they feel that if they allow Tinubu to continue, that Tinubu will somehow divide Nigeria in time to come. That is why you see that they're all fighting. They're all fighting. I want to shock you. You see, I will not be surprised. If we're not going to have election. Because these guys, they are looking for many other ways to get Tinubu out of Aso. That's why I'm saying that I might not be a fan of Tinubu, but Tinubu is really dismantling these guys from the northern Nigeria. I never believe in my lifetime that we're going to have a president from the southern Nigeria that will be able to deal with those guys from the northern Nigeria. Because in the past, I used to feel that these guys are untouchable. Look at El-Rufai. El-Rufai is still in the prison. El-Rufai is in the prison and heaven no fall. El-Rufai is in the prison and heaven no fall. That's why I'm saying that God can use anybody. God can use your worst enemy to bring you salvation. God can use your worst enemy to bring change to your life. Because if God is going to use Tinubu, I'm okay with it. And the way things are going, Tinubu might be the last president of Nigeria. Tinubu might be the last president of the country called Nigeria. Because when you check Tinubu is ready. Tinubu is ready. If it's for fire, he's going to give them back fire. If it's fire for fire, it's going to give them back fire for fire. Because the guy is ready. Like I said some time ago, that if these guys, if they do anything stupid in Abuja, Tinubu will just declare Southern Nigeria. He will just declare Southern Nigeria. That is why you see that Tinubu is putting more money in the Southern Nigeria. So it's just politics. So Tinubu is playing the game. Tinubu don't lobby America. He don't lobby Britain. They work with France. France president is going to be in Nigeria, I think, next week. You get it? That's why I'm saying that anything can happen. Anything can happen. We are ready. We are not going to experience war. There is not going to be civil war in Nigeria anymore. I have seen countries that went on their own ways. They parted without firing one shot. That is what is going to happen in Nigeria. So if Tinubu is the Messiah that God is going to use, Tinubu, continue. Do what you feel that is the best. Because when you check the man is trying to dismantle the Northerners. If somebody tell me that El-Rufai will be in prison and heaven will not fall, I will not believe. Because everybody used to think that these guys are untouchable. But somebody came from the southern Nigeria and the person is touching them and nothing is happening. Oh my God. That's why I'm telling you that Nigeria, here we come.
Ṣebí ìwà àtẹ̀mí gan bira wa. Kí ni nǹkan gan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gan tí àwọn Northerners ní ńlá? Second term Tinubu ò gbọdọ̀ wáyé, ó dangerous fún wọn. Kí ló dé tí second term Tinubu ṣe dangerous fún Northerners? Ní after ti jẹ́ pé gbogbo wọn náà jọ jókòó round table wípé every head of state tó bá jẹ wọ́n máa rotate 8 years from the northern part, 8 years from the southern part. Buhari ló kúrò ńbẹ̀ tó lò 8 years ẹ̀ ṣangiliti. Kí ló dé tí southern adébẹ̀ tẹ́yìn northern sọ wípé irọ́ táàmù kan ló máa lò kò lè ṣeé ṣe kàkà kí ilẹ̀kùn ilẹ̀ máa ṣá ni. Èyà ká ní another candidate ni tí ò ń ṣe president Bola Ahmed Tinubu bóyá ọba jẹ lọ ṣùgbọ́n ṣe rí Tinubu eléyìí tí ìwà tèmi jọmọ̀ àjọmọ̀ pé ilẹ̀kùn ti mú northern lọ́wọ́. Tinubu ṣe second term ẹ̀rọ̀gò kò ṣe second term ẹ̀rọ̀ràn ẹ ti pàdé má ṣe yín ẹ ti padà pàdé ọkọ ìyá yín. Kì í ṣe wípé bí àtọ́rí president Bola Ahmed Tinubu jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tó o bá fẹ́ wá sọ wípé irọ́ ni mò ń pa jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run correct mi jẹ́ àpàdé bí comment section. Bá mi kọ president tó ti ń jẹ láti south láti iye ọdún tó ti ná ti fún wa ní òmìnira láti 1960 tó dúró ti àwọn northern kaba báyìí àbó rí wípé president Bola Ahmed Tinubu àti àwọn kaba tó ń halẹ̀ mọ́ Nàìjíríà àti every head of state tó bá ti jẹ wọ́n jọ dúró tira wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ Tinubu wọ́n jọ ń tara wọn láyà. Ẹ̀yin ò rí wípé wọ́n believe wípé tactic tó máa ń lò wípé kí wọ́n dẹ terrorism sí ìgboro kí gbogbo Nàìjíríà kó máa gbóná lálálá wọ́n ṣe ní ìgbà ayé Jonathan má tètè gbàgbé ọmọ ìyá mi ìgbà yẹn láyé Shibogers tí màmá patient sunkún. Na only you waka come if they kill your child, if they kidnap your child and they rescue your child and they ask you to come and look at the child and you are running away. Is that a good thing? There is God, oh, there is God, oh, there is God. Oh. Mama patient, respect ma. God bless you, Mama. Mama Bakasi. Mama patient ni Mama Bakasi. Rárá o, ìyàwó Gíwá ni. Èyíkéyìí jàre dára. ní ìgbà tí àwọn kàbá tí wọ́n dẹ terrorist student wọn àwọn ọmọ wọn terrorist tó dẹ sí gbòòrò tó lọ kó àwọn school children bí wọ́n ṣe kó tọ̀yọ́. mo fẹ́ kó máa tẹ̀lé gbogbo géèmù bó ṣe ń lọ ni ohun tó ń ṣe fún wa lọ́yọ̀ọ́ wọ́n ṣe fún Jonathan nígbà ìjọba títí ẹ̀. ṣí ọpọlọ ẹ gbọ́ òtítọ́ gbọ́ analysis jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé má ṣọ̀tẹ̀ jù. Tinubu ò padà nídìí yín 2023 àjọ Yorùbá fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ àjọbojú Tinubu jẹ́ kì í ṣe agbára àwọn ọmọ obedient ló tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi win ní Lagos State against Tinubu tó lóun fi pocket Lagos State. Abdulganiyu Abiodun Ige Pàdébánjọ Babábọ̀dé George gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ àtàwọn kan tó close mọ́ bàbá Tinubu tó believe pé Tinubu ò lè wọlé. Yorùbá Nation Movement everything ló join together tó fi ní tó yà fi dìbò fún bàbá Tinubu ní 2023 ṣùgbọ́n ilẹ̀ ní tó mọ́ báyìí mi ìfẹ́ mọ ibi tó wà tó ibo ló ti ń wò mí tó ti ń gbọ́ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ jọ ṣó lè bá mi sáré ṣọ́pálì kan síbi comment section ta ni president Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ìbí mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí Tinubu. Ṣé èèyàn àti wọ ibi bẹ̀ ìwọ àtẹ̀mímọ̀ ipá àti débẹ̀ yẹn ló nira ṣé the same president Bọ́lá Tinubu tí ìwọ àtẹ̀mí ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún tó dẹ̀ gbéra ẹ̀ débẹ̀ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn kò tún bẹ́ṣù bẹ́gbà o kò tún wá wò wípé Yorùbá bojú òun jẹ́ ìgbà tó débẹ̀ àwọn wo ló kó síbẹ̀ àwọn kipos ṣe báwọn Yorùbá náà ló kó síbẹ̀ ṣé ó yẹ kó jẹ́ Yorùbá ló máa kó síbẹ̀ Yorùbá ní sàmọ̀ nǹkan tá a fojú bàbá yìí rí o gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àtàwọn bọ́ìsì wọn ọ̀gbẹ́ni eléyìí of Ogun State ara àwọn bọ́ìsì bàbá Tinubu tí bàbá Tinubu gbẹ́lẹ́yìn ni gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n ṣọ̀tẹ̀ against ẹ̀ ní 2023 gbogbo Yorùbá bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìyàwó wọn bọ́ síta mọ̀mọ́ rẹ̀ ní Tinubu ó ní nítorí muslim ticket redeem gan kẹ̀yìn sí wọn wọn ò dá sí wọn wọn ò bá wọn ṣe òun àti ọkọ ẹ̀ wọ́n jọ gbéra wọn débẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ tún débẹ̀ Yorùbá náà fi síbẹ̀ lo ọpọlọ ẹ̀ ọwọ́ afẹ́ ṣe second term sìn àwọn nọ́dánà wá sọ wípé lá kò sí àyè wá bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ nọ́dánà kí ni nǹkan tí Tinubu ṣe tí wọ́n sọ wípé second term ẹ̀ dangerous fún wọn tó já sí wípé nǹkan kan wà tí Tinubu ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí ò tí ì hàn sí ìwà tèmi tó máa pay àwọn Saudana tó já sí wípé nǹkan kan wà tí Tinubu fẹ́ ṣe ní second term àbí tó máa complete ní second term tí àwọn kàbá tó máa bà tiwọn jẹ́ tó máa break camels back wọn ṣùgbọ́n tó máa pay our south òun ni wọ́n ṣe sọ wípé lá kò gbúdọ̀ sí second term Tinubu ó dangerous ibi tó ti wá mọ̀ ní wípé àìmá jẹ́ kó ṣe second term náà oore ni tó ní fún àwa ọmọ Yorùbá fún Saudana lẹ́yìn kan sàpá sílùú kan fàlùyà tí Tinubu bá tún wá ṣe second term oore náà ló tún ì máa bọ́ sí ṣe ti wá rí wípé wọ́n ti pàdé má